And Monday for the bank holiday, it's not good, is it? But in the meantime, we do have some sunshine today. A lot of cloud, though, you can see plaguing eastern shores of the country, pushing right in across the Midlands and still persisting for some of us. And where the cloud persists, it's cooler. Newcastle just 13 this afternoon. You can see over towards Manchester 18s, but that low cloud hugging the eastern shores of England and still pushing in to the north of London for the Midlands, for parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia. Rather chilly where we have the grey skies. But along the south coast, although there's still some gusty winds around, there's some good spells of sunshine. Temperatures peaking at 20 or 21, really lovely in that sunshine, and those gusty winds should be easing. So pleasant afternoon along the south coast and across much of Wales as well. A cracking day here. And further north too, it's been lovely and warm in Northern Ireland. That continues through the afternoon. Much of Scotland too. Highs of 20 in Glasgow, just northern and eastern Scotland, that low cloud and mistiness that rolls in off the North Sea. And it certainly rolls in overnight. We've got a repeat performance, the low cloud moving right in across the country. It's just really the western fringes of the mainland and Northern Ireland that holds on to the clear spells. In terms of temperatures overnight, no lower than say 5 to 8 Celsius. Now if we look at Friday's weather then, we've got quite a grey start today, fairly similar in fact to this morning. If anything, a little bit more extensive. So a dull, grey and somewhat chilly start, I think, really for most of us on Friday. The best of any morning sunshine will be further west. And I think a little bit more cloud starting to drift in across northern Scotland as well. Some misty conditions over the Scottish mountains. It looks as though Northern Ireland probably enjoying the best of the sunshine through the morning. Certainly a lovely start to the day here. And if we head across the Irish Sea, some lovely sunshine to start Friday morning too across much of western Wales. But you can see that low cloud has drifted in across eastern parts, and it will do the same across parts of Devon and Dorset. But towards Cornwall, Niles of Scilly, here we should hold on to some sunshine to start the morning. Now hopefully most of the low cloud and misty conditions will burn their way back towards the eastern coast. But I do think it will prove quite stubborn, even more stubborn than it was today. So for some it remains fairly greyer skies for Scotland, and the potential for the odd sharp shower to pop up towards southeast England into the afternoon. Temperatures a degree or so cooler, but still warmer than the average. Now the all-important weekend, Saturday looks good for most of us. Yes, we've got that low cloud still plaguing eastern shores of the country, but elsewhere sunny and warm. But there's rain, you can see behind me, moving in from the northwest, and that's going to be moving in across the UK on Sunday. Back to you, Sophie.
Kirsty, thank you very much.